Evelyn bought tile supplies at a home improvement store. Her total bill was $97.20, which included 8% tax. How much were the tile supplies before tax? So we need to be careful in this problem because the $97.20 represents 100% of the sale price plus the 8% tax, which equals 108%. So the $97.20 is 108% of the price before tax, which means to solve this problem, we need to answer the question, $97.20 is 108% of what amount? Let's answer this question using the percent equation, percent times base equals amount. Where the percent has the percent symbol, the amount is part of the whole and the base is the whole amount. So because $97.20 is 108% of some amount or of the original price, the $97.20 is part of the whole sale price, even though it's more than one whole of the sale price. Let's leave the units off and call the amount 97.2. The percent is 108%, and the base, which is the whole or the original sale price, is unknown. Let's use the variable b for the base. And now I'll write the percent equation, which would be, again, the percent times the base equals the amount. So we'd have 108% times the base b equals 97.2. Again, 108% times some amount, which would be the sale price before tax, equals the total amount or total price of $97.20. Next step, we convert the percent to a decimal. So we move the decimal to the left 2 places. Right now it's to the right of the 8. Left 2 places, 1, 2, gives us 1.08. So we have 1.08 times b equals 97.2. To solve for b, we divide both sides by 1.08. On the left, this quotient is 1. 1 times b is b. b equals this quotient, and let's find this quotient by hand on the next slide. Let's write this in long division form, so 97.2 divided by 1.08. The divisor needs to be a whole number. With the decimal, right 2 places, and the same in the dividend. So right 2, 1, 2, move the decimal up into the quotient, replace any missing digits with zeros. And now we divide like we normally do. So the first question is how many 108ths in 972, which I believe is 9. 9 times 8 is 72. Perform an exchange with the 7. 9 times 0 is 0 plus 7 is 7. And 9 times 1 is 9. Notice how there's exactly 9 108ths in 972. The difference is 0. Bring down the next digit. Now we ask how many 108ths in 0, which is 0. 0 times 108 is 0. Subtract. The difference is 0. We now know the quotient is 90. And therefore b equals 90, which means the tile supplies were $90 before tax. I hope you found this helpful.